back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing kitty who traveled 190 miles to get home. Yes, that's very unusual for a kitty to do. Well, this darling's name is Holly, and she is a beautiful tortoiseshell kitty who she's mostly black, and she has white and orange in her, and to me she kind of has a calico look, but technically she's a little tortoiseshell, and they're known for being very smart. Yeah. Well, there was a couple, her owners, who went from West Palm Beach in Florida to Daytona, Florida on vacation. Well, somebody was setting off fireworks, and the fireworks scared the kitty. Holly jumped and was terrified, and she ran out the door. Oh my goodness, and she stayed gone. The owner spent days looking for her. I can only imagine how devastated and afraid they would be for her, like I would be if something had ever happened to him. I used to be scared enough when my kitty Kira got out and snuck under the house, and I would be up until 1 or 2 in the morning just making sure to get the kitty so that she could come home safe. Yeah. Well, these guys looked everywhere. They spent days putting out flyers. They even worked with the local authorities extensively to try to find the kitty. But no luck. No, and they had to return to their West Palm Beach home sad without their kitty. Well, right around 2 months later, there was someone who had seen in a neighbor's backyard an emaciated-looking tortoiseshell, and they realized something was wrong and that kitty might not be feral because the kitty seemed friendly, but the kitty was really weak, so weak that she couldn't even meow. Well, they took the stray to the vet, and the kitty happily was microchipped, and they scanned the kitty, and they found out that it was Holly. Yeah. They called the couple, and they got reunited after 2 months of being apart. This little guy is microchipped in case anything ever happens, and I find it very important to recommend that type of thing for your kitty. Of course, that's a personal choice, but even after long periods of time, you can sometimes be reunited with your kitty. They're often found when they've been microchipped, sometimes even years later. Yes, and this little darling was reunited. Yes, that's wonderful, isn't it, Nuffy? Yeah. Gosh, thank you all so much for watching this video today. We appreciate it so much. And thank you all for your subscriptions and for all of your kind support for this channel. We really appreciate you guys. And if you like the content of our video, don't forget to click those paws and push that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bell. And make sure that you paw all when you paw that bell so you'll always be notified. And that way you can see all of Nuffy Cat's videos. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you with all of these cute little wings. Such cute little wings in the